Looking to start freelancing or level up your career in 2025? The secret lies in mastering high-demand skills. Here are 10 freelancing skills that can help you earn big and secure your future. Number 1, AI-powered content creation. AI tools are everywhere, but clients still need freelancers who can create high-quality, AI-optimized content. Learn how to use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blogs, scripts, and social media posts faster and better. Number 2, video editing and animation. Video is the king of content in 2025. Whether it's YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or animations, learning tools like Premiere Pro or After Effects can help you land high-paying gigs. Number 3, UX/UI design. Websites and apps must offer smooth, user-friendly experiences. Learn UX/UI design to help brands stand out and attract more customers. Number 4, data analysis and visualization. Companies are drowning in data, and they need experts to make sense of it. Learn tools like Tableau or Power BI to turn raw data into actionable insights. Number 5, e-commerce management. Online stores are booming, and brands need freelancers to manage platforms like Shopify, optimize listings, and boost sales through marketing strategies. Number 6, social media strategy. Social media is more competitive than ever. Develop skills to create targeted campaigns, grow audiences, and drive conversions on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Number 7, SEO and SEM. Businesses are always looking to rank higher on Google. Master search engine optimization, SEO, and search engine marketing, SEM, to help them achieve their goals. Number 8, app development. From startups to established companies, everyone is looking for custom apps. Learn coding languages like Swift or Kotlin to build mobile apps and stand out. Number 9, virtual assistants. Busy entrepreneurs need reliable virtual assistants to handle emails, scheduling, and admin tasks. Strong organization and communication skills can make you a go-to freelancer. Number 10, online course creation. Education is going digital. Help businesses and educators turn their expertise into engaging online courses using tools like Thinkific or Teachable. Freelancing in 2025 is all about mastering the right skills. Which one will you learn first? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more freelancing tips to grow your income.